What happens when water stands still? It begins to mold. It becomes impure and unclean, right? Fill up a sink of water, let it sit there. Come back 2 days later, you got all kinds of stuff growing inside there. The same thing happens for your strength training. There's this concept of, well, I'm gonna follow a maintenance program, or I'm gonna follow and stick to my maintenance calories. There's some benefits to that. Definitely helps kind of reset the system a little bit if you need to, but you can't stay there. You cannot stay in a maintenance program. You cannot stay on maintenance calories. The one particular program that got you X result cannot be the same program to move you forward. Right? Let's say you're following the kettlebell press program. You're like, okay, I got this one kettlebell press program and I'm just gonna do this program indefinitely. You're not gonna make progress. Okay, you'll see progress in the beginning, first 6 weeks, 8 weeks, maybe even up to 12 weeks, you'll see some pretty consistent progress. But at a certain point, you hit the point of diminished returns. You can't stay on one particular program because the same program, the one program that got your particular result cannot be the same program to get you the next result. I talked about this in a previous video. The same mindset and the same actions that created a problem cannot be the same mindset and actions to solve the problem, right? So if the problem is I'm no longer progressing with my fat loss, I'm no longer progressing with my strength, I'm no longer progressing in jiu-jitsu, it's because you're standing still. And just like water, you're gonna begin to mold and become pure and unclean in terms of your progress. There is no standing still in life. You're either moving forward or you're moving backwards. If this video helped you out, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Busy Dad strength tips. To learn more about building a stronger and more capable body so you can do more of what you enjoy, like jiu-jitsu or hanging out with your family, golfing, fishing, whatever that is for you, click the link in the description area and download your free 4-week strength program.